Hey guys, Shelby here, Lucky Vitamins resident cosmetologist, and I'm here to share with you a really natural, easy eyebrow tutorial. I really feel like eyebrows are face framing and the first thing you notice about somebody, so I'm excited to share with you a way to highlight them. Let's get into it. You want to take a spoolie, and the spoolie is great to shape your eyebrow and to get it in the precise place. So I like to start at the very front. I feather mine up and almost back and out a little bit, and I feel like this really makes it look natural. And then you just want to get all your little baby hairs into place. Make sure everything's set down how you want it. This is just basically getting the placement and shape of your eyebrow. This also is going to show you where you have a little bit of holes in your eyebrows, and this is where you're going to want to fill in with the product. I'm going to go in with my Saint Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and it is in the shade Tantalizing Taupe. And I am going to actually start in the very front of my brow, right here where all my little holes are. And this, you want to use very light brush strokes. You do not want to go crazy with this. And you're just going to start filling in. You want to follow the growth of your hairs for this to get the most natural look. So you're just going in, filling in any little holes you see. I have very bushy, full eyebrows. A lot of people who might not have eyebrows as bushy as mine, you can always drag this out and extend the tail. I'm not gonna do that because I am very well stocked in the eyebrow department. But yep, you're just gonna keep going in, filling these little holes with little brush strokes. This would also be a really great time if you do have holes in your eyebrows. You can go back through with your spoolie and lift up and see if there's any spots that you would like to add more product. And then you're gonna go in and you're going to fill the other side. Light little brush strokes like hair. And then as a great reference tool, I know a lot of people have questions on shape of eyebrows, where something's supposed to be. And what I found a great reference tool is the front of your eyebrow right here should actually line up with the inner corner of your eyeball. The arch, or the highest point of your eyebrow, should actually line up with the end of your eyeball. And then your outer corner should actually line up with the tail of your eyebrow. And that's a great reference tool to use, and it's really easy, and it's always what I follow when I do my eyebrows. Once you have all the holes filled in, I personally would go back in with my spoolie, make sure everything's flowing nicely, make sure you have no holes in your eyebrows. If you're not on a time crunch, another great thing to have is a clear eyebrow gel, and what that's gonna do is it's going to help hold your eyebrows in place. It's not a color, it literally is like a hairspray for your eyebrows. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this leaves you with a great set of eyebrows. I hope this was really helpful and informative, and these are gonna stay on all day and make you look great. Thanks for watching.